If you process a lot of consignment inventory in a day, you'll want to use ConsignCloud's batches. If you're adding items one at a time, it could be affecting your efficiency, how many errors you have in your input, and your inventory organization. To avoid these issues, let's use ConsignCloud's batches. I'm going to head to Menu, go to Inventory, Batches, and I'm going to create a new batch. This can be auto-named, or we can name it ourselves, so we can call it Monday second batch. I'm going to create the batch, and you'll notice right away that the fields of entry we have are similar to fields of entry if we were just adding items one at a time like so. But here, when I'm adding one item at a time, I might forget where I was at in my stack of inventory, so that even when I save it and I start entering a new item, I might forget, wait, where was I? Or I might want to enter inventory and have someone else price the inventory. We can do all that in batches. So I'm going to head back to my Monday second batch, which is auto-saved. Whenever you use batches, it always auto-saves. And when I start using it, I can customize the fields of entry. So if I don't care about size or images, but I do want to add something like the color and the description, I can quickly take away and add those fields. I'll start filling out the fields of entry just like I would any item. And if I've got a bunch of inventory I want, I can simply tab here and start moving really quickly through fields of entry with the keyboard, or I can simply click to add new items, but it goes really, really fast. Not only that, if I want employee number one, let's say, to add items, but they're not trained on pricing inventory, they can put in the information for the item, leave the pricing field blank, and then say, hey, Monday's second batch is ready to be priced. Then an employee trained in pricing can come in, start putting in the prices for those items. When I'm ready for this batch to be submitted into my store so that I can sell those items, I'm going to go to Review Batch. This will tell me summary information. What's the batch priced? How much did it cost us, the store? What's the value for it for the store? Who are the affected accounts? Additionally, I can have it print the labels for the whole batch, but also generate purchase orders for those consignors. Once I submit this batch, that's when I can print these labels and attach them to all that inventory. So the batch is submitted, it's in my store, and it's ready to sell. If I go to my inventory table, I'll see it all there created. You can have as many batches running at a time as you want. You can see the status, are they submitted or not? You could even add descriptions to these. So if we wanted to say, this was the big shoe batch, lots of Nike shoes, we can see those descriptions. So you could leave a note, ready to be priced, needs to be printed. But as you can see, this process is a much more efficient way of entering inventory. It reduces the errors because you never get lost, and it helps you stay organized, giving you an opportunity for division of labor, for one employee to do the intake, one employee to do the pricing. It's really flexible. Follow us for more content on how to run the best consignment store you possibly can. And let us know if you have any questions or concerns about our batch feature.